Hey everyone! So I recently upgraded my iPhone 15 to iOS 26 and the update went smoothly until I noticed something strange. All my notification sounds just disappeared. No lock sound, no WhatsApp ping, no GPay chime, nothing. Total silence. So I started digging, checking websites, forums, even YouTube, trying every possible fix. And finally, I found the real solution that worked. If you're facing the same no sound issue after updating to iOS 26, here's how to fix it. First, restart your iPhone. Just press and hold the power button and volume up button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo. Once it restarts, check if your sounds are back. If that didn't help, here's the trick that usually does. Flip the ring silent switch on the side of your iPhone to silent mode. Wait 2 to 3 seconds, then flip it back to ring mode. For most users, this instantly brings back all notification sounds, including WhatsApp and system alerts. And that's it. That's how you can fix the no sound issue after the iOS 26 update. If this video helped you, drop a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more quick iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.